to do some. And now this the kitchen and
Laway mo.
is this the kitchen
Mm.
and the place for the bag and
Okay.
this the cabinet.
No, you're explaining. What are you doing?
I just have a explain this. And
Explain this.
yes, it's this.
Your iPad, that one, you're not using your iPad.
Yeah, because it had a laptop in it. There's nothing on this one. And now this
Why you don't use your iPad?
because I have a cabinet and sit down in it and it's so person I have this laptop.
Did you clean up the room already?
Yeah, this already have a
Clean up? No, this is not clean up. Your secret room is a mess.
no, it's not.
Look at your secret room. It's a mess. Oh
No,
no.
it's kind of staying up later pa because it's nighttime and don't sleep now. Before have a daytime for the old dinner, we always have a kitchen and bedroom and some cabinet for the little bag. And this one is the box for the food. And there's curtains and there's some the big squirrel.
What?
And the scrap is.
What do you have there inside?
If there's the box, there's
What
the
do you do
food.
there?
There's a food and there's the card and there's the look shelter. Because it have a bright star.
Mhm.
It having nothing.
No, that's your medicine.
Yeah, that's
The one you put in your nose, diba?
Yeah, that's not for the medicine. We put it on her. And now we always have a daytime. And I have a lobster.
What?
I just want to have a diaper. And relax in the beach.
You relax in the beach?
Yeah, before we had a like in breakfast. I have the social with some doors in the hub. There's other doors
Mhm.
and there's labas doors and
Mhm.
there's bedroom doors.
Mhm.
We always have a door time and you have there's some Oscar. It's having that's one pencil. Before we have to have a nice shelter. Before we have a last day.
Mhm.
And before we have a just day for the on the beach and the first breakfast.
Mhm. You have a breakfast in the beach?
Yeah,
What did you have for breakfast?
for a bread and something on cabinet here. Check something from that one.
What's that? That's a trash.
Yeah, that's the trash. And this one is for the night.
Yeah, that's also a trash.
Yeah. And this one,
Yeah, also a trash.
yeah.
Your cabinet is full of trash. I thought you clean up.
No, that's for the mouse here. In the labas, they're not gonna smell the trash.
You're not gonna smell the trash?
Yeah. This one's for the medicine for the trash. It's a cupboard. It's have a cabinet for the closet. It's closed and before we open it.
Oh, matapon.
Look.
Oh, matapon. No.
No, there's no.
There's nothing inside?
Yeah.
Then it's a trash. Your cabinet is full of trash.
No, this one my medicine. This one is
Touch
for the
lang ang cabinet mo.
There's a battery like that.
Oh, another trash.
No, this is a battery.
Hmm.
That's not a trash. We can put it like this. And this I need to hurry up to say hello for the apis. Because you cannot say hello for the apis. Because
Hello for the apis. Why you say hello for the apis?
the cockroach apis like this is dancing and walking like
How?
this for the shopping.
In the shopping?
Yeah. It's for the doctor can see it. I see it before we have a doctor. We have a like some medicine for Kuya and it's not.
Hmm. There's nothing inside. Medicine pero nothing inside. Ano ba yan? It's not a
Ayan yun,
medicine.
nalaglag yun sa loob.
But scatter. For the middle, we have some picture, many picture in there. Before it have others one is a painting for the last person, and it can have this pencil I love. I can person for the and this is the correction. It have a data, and before we have some use day. We have some the lesson day and lesson here, and put some this other way here. Let's check it. Okay. Go. And now, first we have this door with this one, and since we correct, let's before we have it,
What?
and we
Baka Obama arrested? Totoo ba yan?